I never really thought that chess was something that I'd like, but now that I played it, it's awesome. Today we have something cool. We have the latest interactive gaming. And I want to give a big thanks to Shifu for sending us this, which is their latest Tacto game, which is Tacto Chess. With the Tacto app, it turns your tablet into an interactive chessboard. Here's what comes in the box. You get your 2 frames and then your 2 sets of 6 figures. Let's open the box and check it out. Here's what comes in the box. The 2 stands, black and white pieces. We have the rook, the queen, the king, knight, the bishop, and the pawn. So this is the first time that anyone in my house has played chess. So this is going to be a good way for us to learn and also interesting to see how this goes. Okay guys, right now we're going to show you the app and the setup. So first we're going to slide these on. Like that. So then we're going to go into the app. The app is Tacto. So there's prepare to play, battle it out, and last piece standing. The first one that we chose was prepare to play. And the ones that we have done so far was the introduction, the basics, and the move predictor. And we did this because we've never played chess before.
All pieces should be captured with only one remaining on the board. Chess pieces move in the same way as classic chess. Every move must result in a capture. We can solve some puzzles by moving just one piece. Tap the pawn figurine on the screen to select the highlighted pawn. You got it! Now, move it diagonally to capture the other pawn. Awesome! Capture the knight next. Brilliant! You solved the first puzzle.
So now we're going to play battle it out.
I'm white and Drew is black. Let's get started.
So we're playing Chess Goes Bananas.
Kingdoms of Moose and Kila are worried. Lord Ami, the royal orangutan, is sad because he has too few bananas. And kingdoms are only as happy as their royal orangutan is. The kingdoms have to get more bananas across the bog of Banan to Lord Omi's royal sanctuary. Help get the most number of bananas to Lord Omi.
Don't they?
Alright guys, here it is. All Drina has left is her king. And I have my king and my 2 rooks. Alright, let's see what happens.
Kingdom Kayla has won! Both kingdoms are overjoyed. Time to celebrate. Lord Omi is happy. That's all that matters.
Alright guys, there it is. I win. First time playing chess, and I win.
What I liked about it was, since it teaches you how to learn and play chess, I never really thought that chess was something that I'd like, but now that I've played it, I think chess is really fun, and just how you can have it on the iPad and on an app.
It gave us a chance to learn how to play chess. I've never played it before, but it was really fun. Next we're going to try to play the Candyland version of the chess.
So I want to give a big thanks for Shifu for sending us this because it's awesome.